So, did I tell you I saw Valkyrie?
No. How was it?
Well,
Say no more. Tom Cruise?
oh, he sucked. Not believable as a Nazi. Come on. He's the same freaking guy in every movie. Although, he was pretty fucking funny in Tropic Thunder.
Amen to that, bro. Amen.
That reminds me. I need a Diet Coke.